All right, this is the extension we're putting on our chicken coop run using pallets. I got it started. I'm about halfway done. This is going to be the door, since we don't really have to access it that much. We're putting a short door on it from our old hen house. On the bottom underneath the pallet, we have landscape timbers, and I took these rebar and cut 12-inch pieces and drilled through the landscape timbers to hold them in place and nailed these down so they wouldn't move. I'm going to run a post in the middle after I get all the pallets up, and then frame it over so I can run chicken wire all along the top and the bottom. On the bottom of these, I'm going to run the chicken wire about 12 inches out. So right here. So if critters try and dig in, they'll hit chicken wire. The rain will wash dirt and stuff over top of it later on, so it won't move any. And put chicken wire for a roof. Put chicken wire for the walls. And I'm going to redo my water system. I have a Walmart 20-gallon tote over there that I've got hooked up to PVC. And I've got these little set up like this that I hook the PVC to, so the water, and I'm going to put a 55-gallon drum on top of the stand to hook these pipes into so I can feed both chicken runs. And I'm going to screw it along the wall over there. Got our laying boxes over there. I'm not putting any laying boxes over here because it's just going to be for daytime when it's not raining.
Will you come open those laying boxes and show? Because I can't.
I built these laying boxes. I made a little simple lat. Just 2x4 and a stick.
Open it. And the other one. I can't do it.
And then just have these so the chickens can't get out if they're in there and they're open. Just keep the chickens in if they're laying.
Will you open the back too?
And then on this, on the back of our chicken coop, I have a full door so you can open it up. They've already pulled one of the carpets out. And then you can sweep, I got linoleum underneath it, so it'd be easier just to sweep everything out and put all new bedding in there. The other nesting box.
Hold on, I can get that phone. Okay.
The other nesting box over there. We have so many chickens, we had to have.
Okay, you can close it. You go around the side and open those.
This is our other nesting box, the same little hinge latch system. These doors are a little bit bigger, are the blocks. And one of our chickens don't like the nesting box. We put dirt in there hoping we can get them to lay eggs in there.
They didn't like the indoor-outdoor carpet. They keep pulling it out. So we pulled it out and put dirt. Go that way.
The other chicken coop, we've got screens. And we have chicken wire underneath the screen, and we have chicken wire on the top. I have these pallets up here because we had the dog in here at one time, and she tore out all of the sides to escape. So
she tore out the top part because the bottom part was already pallets.
Yeah, she couldn't get out the bottom, she got out the top. And on this coop, we have
I'm going to back up so you can.
French doors. Have a top door. If you want to throw things at the birds and just open it to check on them, you got to open the whole door up.
Treats, it's scraps. Okay, let's go in there.
And then open door. Got a latch on the inside. Have our ramp for the chickens with crossboards so they can walk up it easy. A little stick over there they can nest and perch on. These strings, we used to have waters before I got the water system installed. We'd hang the water bottles from it.
The water feeder thing.
The water, yeah. You see shoe strings and carabinas.
Okay, go show them the chicken feeder you got.
And then our feeder right here. It'll hold 50 pounds of feed. And I've got 3 pipes coming out. So the chickens can go in there and it saves food from getting all over the ground.
Here, turn it around.
We have 3 different.
All right, you can put it back over there now.
All right.
Okay, yeah, we close that.
And then I have a little hatch door I made when I built this coop. This is a door right here. So during the day I'll open it up, and then at nighttime I can close it and keep them in here.
Is that one nailed shut?
This one's screwed shut. I have to put a
Okay.
latch on it later. And that is our pallet chicken coop.
Oh, we gotta close the other egg boxes.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Is that everything?
Yep.
Okay. That's the end of the video then. I hope this helps somebody. And I think we covered everything. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.